film out in theaters.
Yeah.
There were so many people who just kept writing to us that they haven't seen the film. When is it going to be on OTT? So for some reason OTT is delayed, but we are so happy that people are getting a second chance to see the film, and the whole love and the good feel is renewed, and just the feeling, it's amazing. It's
Kalki
amazing.
and Dipti Naval's performance is being really talked about.
Yes, it's amazing. I think, at least I believe it's one of the best performances ever. It's the lifetime performance till now.
Because
Yeah.
you are on a roll right now with your projects being, revered so well. In midst of all of that, you're here to watch Goldfish. What do you have to say?
I am fan of दीप्ति मैम. मैंने दीप्ति मैम के साथ यारिया में काम किया है. कल्कि का मैं फ़ैन हूँ. अनुराग सर ने प्रोड्यूस किया है. द पिक्चर इज सो गुड. पुष्कर ने डायरेक्ट किए. सो वाइल माई 2 projects are doing really good on Jio Cinema and कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, मैंने सोचा why not let's take a break and see a wonderful film. So I'm here to watch Goldfish and I'll let you know how it feels after watching Goldfish. मैंने वादा किया है कि मैं बताऊंगा सर को
Yeah,
कैसे
I've
film
told him
लगी.
to tell me. I've told him to tell me how the film is. He has to come and tell me how the film is.
Yeah, for sure I'll do this.
Please, I'll appreciate your feedback. I'd love to know how you like the film.
Congratulations once again.
Thank
for
you.
re-releasing.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll see you. Thank you.
So, guys, just a question. Are you if you needed to be cast in a film and given a choice, Kalki or Dipti Naval, who would you prefer to work with again?
It's very difficult though.
Putting you in a corner.
Deepthi ma'am is very higher, Kalki is also higher, but somewhere I would love to work with Deepthi ma'am again because last time मैंने जब play किया था तो मैंने उनकी बेटे को मार दिया था, तो I earned little hate. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे रिलेशन में बने मैम कुछ इस बार तो ज़्यादा इमोशंस जनरेट होंगे हमारे.
Maybe you can be her son.
I can be her son. I can be her son. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Tell us, like watching and having watched it.
So, like a lot of people, I'm sure, who missed out on watching it the last time, I'm just glad it's being re-released now. And for those who didn't get to watch Goldfish earlier, Pushan Kriplani has directed this. We have our dear friend Tapas Relia who's done the music. We have incredible actors like Kalki Kekla and Dipti Navalji acting in it. I think it's a great opportunity that good cinema. The more the avenues, the more the viewers, the more the happiness. So, wishing Goldfish.
Yes, all the very best. All the very best. So apparently, the trend right now that's going to a re-release of films, films that have already released on an OTT or releasing back in the theaters, is a trend that is coming back. I think around the Indira Gandhi days or something.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah.
Those are the times when movies.
Parul.
Ready rolling? Goldfish is like the only topic these days in the industry, and it's doing extremely well. Very novel subject, great performers, great vibe of the film. What do you have to say at your association?
This is such a good time for a re-release of a meaningful film. इतना अच्छा लगता है कि इतने प्यार से बनी हुई फिल्म about a mother and daughter's relationship. I think सबके लाइफ में एक मोमेंट आएगा when the child lands up becoming a parent and the parent lands up being dependent on the child and in a way becomes a like a responsibility. So it was an exploration in this film whether the child will take up that responsibility or shy away from it, because सबके जवानी में अपने अपने पर्सनल रोल्स होते हैं, अपने गोल्स होते हैं कि मेरे को ये बनना है, ये करना है. तो अगर आपको कोई अब्रॉड अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाएगी तो क्या आप अपने पेरेंट्स को ओल्ड एज होम में डाल दोगे, और अगर डाल दोगे तो क्या मतलब आपकी ज़िम्मेदारी ख़त्म हो जाती है, या फिर इज़ इट अ बैड थिंग टू पुट योर पेरेंट्स इन ओल्ड एज होम? सम पीपल डोंट हैव एन ऑप्शन, यू हैव टू डू दैट. तो मेरे लिए ये फिल्म इज़ वेरी मीनिंगफुल एंड इतनी टैलेंटेड स्टार कास्ट लाइक कल्की एंड दीप्ति हैं. So last time when it came with जवान. You can't compete with the blockbuster film. But क्या हमें ये फिल्में नहीं दिखानी चाहिए? मुझे लगा दिखानी चाहिए and there was a window here. तो अब हम दोबारा लेके आ गए. अब हम दोबारा इस बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं. अर्बन स्टोरी है, गांव में तो हम अपने माँ बाप को नहीं छोड़ते हैं, कल्चरली बहुत रूटेड है. बट बड़े सिटीज़ में ये हो रहा है कि चाइल्ड हैज़ टू आफ्टर अ सर्टन एज हैज़ टू मेक अ चॉइस कि मैं करूँ क्या. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन अ ब्रोकन फैमिली और अ सिंगल पेरेंट, सर्वाइविंग पेरेंट की आपको देखभाल करनी है. तो क्या आप प्लेन पकड़ते रहोगे, ट्रेन पकड़ते रहोगे, जॉब करते रहोगे, पैसे कमाते रहोगे, कि यू विल ऑल्सो टेक अ यू टर्न एंड से कि यार मेरी एक माँ भी है, मेरे पिताजी भी हैं, उनके लिए भी कुछ करना है. but it's not some guilt trip, it's not some gyan, it is what happens to these two women in Goldfish that makes me extremely proud. It's crafted very well, it's directed well, it's got great music, it's got great performances. इतने सारे festivals करके आई है, इतने सारे countries में मतलब इतना अच्छा perform करके आई है. So I hope people enjoy it, they like it, they see it and they can associate with it.
Obviously these subjects are very, very emotional subjects. What's the response been now since we've experienced re-release and we see it's a full house today? What do you have to say about that?
We are very proud that it's a full house and in some cities it has run with great success. Gives us reassurance to keep making films like that. Gives us the courage and confidence to continue making meaningful films. Backed by great producers, great talent. So अच्छा लग रहा है और बहुत सारी फिल्में आई हैं इस दौरान में which can be considered as a re-release. But a story is a story is a story, and if it can be told and retold and reshown, जैसे बोलते हैं कि OTT में फिल्म होती है, you have to discover it. I think सिनेमा हॉल में भी एक कम्युनिटी स्क्रीनिंग होती है जिसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है, मतलब देख करके लोगों के रिएक्शन देख करके. तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि 1 साल बाद दोबारा फिल्म आ रही है एंड द रिएक्शन इज़ वेरी प्रेशियस फ्रॉम पीपल. इट्स पर्सनल. कितने लोग तो रो रहे थे, कितने लोगों को मतलब बहुत पर्सनल लगी बातें. तो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. थैंक यू.
तो नहीं बना रही हूँ ना गोल गोल रोटी. मेरा डे ऑफ है, मैं काम पे हूँ.
Ready rolling? Nati, the re-release of Goldfish is so talked about, everybody is loving it. What do you have to say?
I'm very happy that our film is in the theatre again. It's quite a pleasure to have the same film in the theatre again, and I'm really, really happy that those who didn't get to see it last time get to see it now.
Your chemistry with Deepti ji on set, how was the whole experience? Two fine actors together, and the end result, of course, raved, talked about. What do you have to say?
Deepti ji is a wonderful actor, as everybody already knows. What I love most about her is her spontaneity. She's somebody who doesn't like to rehearse too much, but when the camera is on and we start the take, she just lights up and does something new every time. So it surprises me and I react to her acting. So it gets the best out of both of us.
बाकी आपका जो रील है, गोल गोल रोटियां इतना वायरल हुआ है, क्या कहेंगे?
गोल गोल रोटियाँ, हाँ वो सच है कि मेरी एक्चुअली रोटी इतना गोल गोल नहीं आता है. और hopefully one day I will master that as I'm mastering the acting. चलो दीप्ति जी आ गई. How we always have this like matching opposite things. It's great. I love it. It's perfect for the characters.
Look here, ma'am. Look here. Left side, ma'am. Stand up. Look, please. Ma'am, look. Left side.
One picture together, come.
You want me to go there?
Come. Push up. बोला था आएगा.
Left to right.
Thank you.
Ma'am, left to right. On this camera, ma'am. Hold. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dipti ji,
Yes, sir.
good job. Dipti ji, you're here.
Here.
Yes.
अच्छा.
जी, meaningful cinema बहुत कम बनता है. Goldfish is being talked about, raved about so much. Wonderful performance. फिल्म का re-release हो रहा है, क्या कहेंगे आप?
We are very fortunate कि very fortunate that the film has come back in the theatre. We were not, we had kind of lost hope, you know, ki kya hoga, because it ran like maybe for 2 or 3 days and then it was taken off. So now that it is back, now people are more curious and getting to see it, and it's spreading by word of mouth, so which is very good for the film. And जितने भी लोग आए देखें, मतलब it's a great feeling that a small film like this is being talked about, and the word is spreading.
आज re-release और हाउसफुल है.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are loving it already. आपकी chemistry कैसी रही कल्कि के साथ on set? It's a very very emotional subject. Some nuances. What do you have to say on that?
I thoroughly enjoyed working with them. Thoroughly enjoyed. I think for the first half an hour or 1 hour we were gauging each other on the set, and then we just took off together. We were like, you know, it was so comfortable working. She's very talented, extremely talented, and I love all her work, which I have seen so far. I just love her work. So it was really wonderful to be working with such a competent actor.
So many films that you've done. I'm sure every film leaves a mark behind some memory. With this film, what do you carry home?
Oh, I think we shot it during the COVID time. So there's this whole aspect of having to be quarantined for 10 days in a small little hotel room, and then finally when we got down to on the set, it was such a big relief. And then the whole thing happened in such a charming way. You know, we were on the street, the church across kind of hosted our costume department and the lunch and everything, because everything was shut down. So, and another house here which was a changing room and the makeup, and then this is my house and Lakshmi's house, and you know, everything is so, it was such an intimate space, just one street and then the whole thing. And I loved, Kalki had a little one, little Safo with her, so shot देते थे और साफो के पास भाग जाते थे.
What message would you like to give to the audience?
It's a very sensitive film. It's a very relevant topic, dementia, Alzheimer's. For me, this is, I think, the most special film of my career, because my mother suffered from Alzheimer's and dementia, and I had lived that with her for the past many years. So, I mean, I could relate to it like no other role of mine. You know, this role for me was so intense and special because of that factor, that Mama had just gone away, and then I got this role when Rajit called me and said, "Ye role hai." In 3 sentences I heard what the role was, and I said, "I'm doing it," because I felt it is my calling. It's like this role is meant for me. I have to do it. बाद में script, बाद में scenes, बाद में money, everything else later. It was just the subject case. There's this woman suffering from dementia, mother-daughter relationship. That's it. I said, tell them I'm doing it. I'm on the unit. So was ऐसे ही gut feeling, and it turned out so nice. Thank you. Thanks.
We have to come together. So we just spoke to Diptiji about her experience, working with you and on set, and it was COVID times. Would you like to add something?
COVID times, yeah, it was COVID times. And we
were
were quarantined, and I had a 2-year-old at the time, 1.5 years old. And Diptiji brought all her own saris for the shoot. I'll never forget to say that, because they look so good on her, and they gave a very real quality to the character.
Any questions, anyone?
Yeah, please ask. सामने आ जाइए ताकि.
Also, हम दोनों हमारी book लिख रहे थे तब, पता है?
आ जाइए.
We were both just about to
print
our books.
Yes.
Just about to.
Yeah, we would run back to our laptops, and of course
and
we would run to Sappho also. But yeah.
I saw it for multiple reasons. I am not journalist. I'm here for another reason. your movies. Love the storytelling. Kalki, there is a pattern in 3 of your films.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
From where I see it, I'll talk about it. And
I think this is meant for.
Do you want to?
ठीक है.
I can have a chat.
Yeah,
Let's have a
let's
chat,
do
'cause
that.
This is all being recorded for TV.
Yeah.
So, Kalki, any message for the audience before we wind up?
I just enjoy the film Goldfish. If you can, try to catch it.
Any message for Gen Zs, youngsters who are watching this movie?
Yeah, it's very important, I think.
Gen Zs, I
the
think
whole
I think
parent-
dementia is going to be the biggest disease in the future. I mean, they're already talking about how big it is, and it's important to be aware that this is really a part of life sometimes, and you might have to be taking care of your parents the way your parents took care of you.
I think that is a very important factor that the film deals with. How does a young person who has their own life agenda and they're in the middle of so much happening in their own life, and suddenly they realize that maybe they have to drop all that and then rethink how are they going to look after their parents.
Yeah.
So ये बहुत important और ये बहुत बड़ा message है इस film का for this coming generation.
Kalki, there's one question prompted you that now, how do you see a film from a mother's point of view?
Oh yeah, it definitely makes me appreciate my mother more. I see how much hard work goes into those early years of parenting, and of course the mother-daughter relationship is a very tough one because there's such a sort of dependency on each other in the beginning, and as the daughter grows up, she needs less of the mom, but it's harder for the mom to let go, I feel, and that difference is, it's really it helped me a lot with understanding the character and the difficulties that we had as parent and daughter in the story.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So can you please let us know how was your experience?
I love the film. The film has many layers. The film is particularly important for me because I work with family caregivers. I think Kalki's role in being a caregiver to her mother is a very important role. It will impact many people. Over time, we don't learn how to be a caregiver, so the emotional toll that caring for a loved one who is going through an illness like Alzheimer's or dementia has many things for all of us, and we will need support systems like the people on the street, the friends, and also maybe the challenges that Kalki was going through as a working woman. So being a working woman who is expected to care for her parents, her in-laws, etc., having to balance work and caregiving can be quite a challenge. The film really beautifully plays that out. So, and I'm a big Deepti Nawal fan, so the film was excellent.
Thank you. Please let us know how was your experience?
I think the experience was wonderful. The movie is beautiful. It's a very simple, well-told story. Must watch. It's a disease that most of the people are, struggling with. Most of them don't know how to deal with it. Through the medium of movies, saying these stories makes a lot of sense. I would recommend everybody to watch it. Thank you very much.
Ready.
जी देखो, अभी मैंने मूवी देखा है। मूवी की बात करें तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज है। माँ जो है सबसे बड़ी होती है, माँ और मातृभूमि जो है स्वर्ग से बढ़कर होता है। तो उसमें जो कल्की ने अपनी माँ को लेकर के जो डिसीज़ है, जो उनको भूलने की डिसीज़ है, उसको किस तरह से हेल्प करती है, उनको सैल्यूट है। और बहुत अच्छा एक मैसेज है देश की सारी माँओं के लिए, क्योंकि ये जो है किसी को भी बहुत कम लोगों को कोई बीमारी होती है, लेकिन जब आदमी को की मेमोरी चली जाती है तो उसका सब कुछ चला जाता है। और जिस तरह से मतलब एक पिलर बन करके उन्होंने अपनी माँ का पूरा ख्याल रखा है, इससे एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज जाता है कि माँ और मातृभूमि सबसे बढ़कर है। और हमें पूरे देश के माताओं के लिए एक मैसेज है कि उनकी बेटी, उनके बेटे जो है उनकी सेवा करें और अपनी माँ से जुड़ें।